Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you demonstration related to Rode microphone smart LAV mic unboxing as well as review. What exactly you receive currently my voice in your ears. It's smooth or amazing because of right now I am recording this voice using this microphone. So let's start as unboxing. So let's start as an unboxing of this Rode mic, Rode mini mic. Today I purchased this mic only in around 16.50 euro. So I am purchasing this Rode mic in Berlin city, Germany. So what exactly in inside of this box? So one is a magic guide, quick guide. Related informations are available here. So it's amazing. One of the most important things, you can download the Rode recording mic application on your phone and you record the sound using this application. So just simply this application is available or not. So first number application is available here. Using this application you can record your voice. It's amazing, like this way you can put it here your mic and then record your screen. So simply this is a box, and what exactly in this mic. Okay, this is collar mic, and this is the smallest product, small, just like you can connect your MacBook also very easily. So simply I open this one. Now just simply I open this one. Okay, this one is a connector. You can use this one and put it your collar like this way. I think so. This one you can remove this one, it's smallest product, and put it here like this PC, and you can add this one your collar like this way. Simplest. And then cable like around 1 meter. Yeah, it's not so big, it's only 1 meter, but it's good. So now I connect this headphone in my collar, otherwise. So now iPhone is not such kind of port here, but using this connector I connect this one here in my iPhone and then record some voice. Like this headphone comes here, headphone, record the mic. Some basic informations also available here, like what exactly which gigahertz you want record your channel mono. So 48,000 gigahertz is a perfect, so I save this one and then record the voice here, like record my screen, record my voice here. It is a perfect. You can use this one. I think it's amazing products I buy ever, and this is and I am buying this product on my YouTube earning. So that one is a very happiest moment of me. So this is the basic features of this product. You can use this record your voice. So now I am recording my voice using this Rode mic. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Now I am using my computer voice. Don't forget, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. So you like this voice or not like this voice? So guys, you like this video or you like this unboxing? So don't forget, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.